Hello, this is Ready, Set, Viral. Hope you guys are having an amazing week, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the best school hacks that you need to try out. But before we begin with today's video, I want you to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, make sure to comment which one of these hacks is your favorite. But without further ado, let's go. Number 1. If you have a bunch of notebooks that look the same and you can't recognize which is which, there's a simple solution for it. Color the page ends of each book with a different colored sketch pen. This will help you easily recognize the different subject books in your bag or on the shelf and will bring a great pop of color to your study space. Number 2. Lost your eraser again? Try using a small piece of bread. Back before erasers were invented, people used bread. If you haven't gotten any bread, find a rubber band and tie this at the end of your pencil to use as an eraser. Or if your eraser is attached to the end of the pencil and it's over, you can sharpen the end and it'll reveal some of the eraser. Number 3. Take notes using different colored pens. Not only will it nicely organize your notes and make them look more attractive, it'll also help you recall the content easily. However, if you're not into colored pens and prefer writing in one color only, studies show that notes in blue ink are easier to remember than those in black ink. Number 4. When starting a new notebook, leave the first few pages blank. You can then create a handy table of contents to find notes easily during exam time. Number 5. Keep Me Out is a great website and app that helps you beat distractions. If you're working on the desktop, this website will keep you out of sites like Facebook, YouTube, etc. And on the phone, it'll lock your phone for any number of minutes specified. Number 6. Every second counts when you're getting ready for school. Make a playlist of upbeat songs that take exactly the same amount of time as you do to get ready and leave the house for school. Pretty soon, your morning schedule will work according to specific songs, and you will know when you're running a little late. Getting ready for school just got more enjoyable, don't you think? Number 7. The key to combating smelly shoes is tea bags. After playing your favorite sport or walking all day, the best and most eco-friendly way is to fix your smelly shoes with 2 tea bags and putting them in your shoes before you put them away. You can also put small bags of potpourri or a small handful of aromatic flowers and spices. Number 8. Use scholar.google.com for essays or research instead of Google. You'll find more reliable and relevant resources there other than general blogs from people. Number 9. Keep some handy mints in your pencil case. It'll help reduce headaches and boost your concentration. Number 10. It may be frightening to do presentations if it counts for your final grade. You should use a different colored pen for each point or line if you're using note cards while presenting. Using this will enable you to easily go from one point to another without messing up or stalling, which will allow you to seamlessly weave in and out of your points. Number 11. If you have highlighted something by mistake or simply want to remove highlighted text from your book, simply take a Q-tip and soak the bud with lime juice. Then swipe the bud over the highlighted text and it works like magic. No highlight and the text stays perfectly intact. Number 12. Need to draw a circle but don't have a compass? Just take 2 pencils and tie them with a string. Use one pencil as the center of the circle and the other to draw. Number 13. Stick some post-it notes in an empty tray or chalkboard and use that as a great to-do list organizer. When you're done with the tasks, simply discard the paper and you can take one off when you need it and stick it anywhere. Number 14. After writing your essay, copy and paste it into Google Translate and listen to it. Listening makes it easier to find mistakes. Number 15. You can use the flight mode on your phone to beat distractions or restart your phone in safe mode. But anyways, guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments down below, and I'd love to help you. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more content like this and much more. We'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care and watch the 2 videos that are on your screen. Bye now!